So now we're going to take a look at example 4, which is matching lines beginning with certain text. Okay. So in this one, we're going to use the caret symbol. It's hard to see here, but this is above the 6 key on your keyboard. And this is used in regular expressions to denote the beginning of a line. So in this case, we're going to output all lines that begin with pro. So we're going to look in the book file, and we want all lines that begin with the word or the letters pro. Okay, let's check that out. Let me cat book first. And you'll notice, well, here's all the beginning of the lines. Oops. There we go. So I cat book, we're looking at our file here. And I only see one line that begins with pro, right? And that's this one. So let's see what grep does. Let me clear my screen. So we're going to do grep, single quote, caret symbol, which is above the 6 key, pro, single quote, in book. And sure enough, it's going to give me back that pro line. We can also throw flags on grep, as we see here. A very common one is this -I, which means case insensitive. So we're going to output all lines in the file book that begin with the text in the beginning, regardless of case type. So case insensitive means, look, whether it's uppercase, lowercase, some other uppercase, some are lowercase, I don't care. Just give me every single line that has this string in it, regardless of case. So let's try that out. So we're going to do grep -I for case insensitive, single quote, caret in the beginning. So all lines that begin with in the beginning, regardless of case. Single quote, book. We're going to hit enter. And there you have it. So it gave us the whole line. You'll notice this whole line is capital, but because I put the -I, it gave me it anyways. If I were to do that same command, so grep, no -I, single quote, caret in the beginning, book, aha, it didn't give it to me, right? Well, that's because this is all capital. If I'm going to do it this way, I would actually have to put in the beginning, single quote, book. I would actually have to spell it exactly how it is in order for grep to do it and find it the normal way. Or I can just do the -I, and then I don't have to worry about what the spelling of it is, right? We're not always going to know what the spelling of things are in files if we're trying to find something. Okay. Another important note, guys, is you're going to notice that these regular expressions were quoted with a single quotation mark character, right? And this is because some shells otherwise treat the caret character as a special meta character. Okay? So we're using single quotes in all of these because some of these have special meanings. So in addition to words and phrase searches, you can use grep to search for complex text patterns called regular expressions, which we've been seeing here. So a regular expression, or regex, is a text string of special characters that specifies a set of patterns to match. So technically speaking, the word or phrase patterns are regular expressions, just very simple ones. In a regular expression, most characters, including letters and numbers, represent themselves. For example, the regular expression pattern 1 matches the string 1, and the pattern boy matches the string boy. There are a number of reserved characters called meta characters that do not represent themselves in a regular expression, but they have a special meaning that is used to build complex patterns. These meta characters are as follows, which we've been seeing in some of our previous examples, such as period, star or splat, square brackets, caret symbol, $, and backslash. Okay, so we've been seeing those in our previous examples. Okay. It's good to note that such meta characters are common among almost all of common and special Linux distributions. So here you can follow a link And it covers the special meanings of meta characters and gives examples of their usage. So just follow this link here. For now, though, we're going to go ahead and look at example 5, which is matching lines ending with certain text. So we're going to use the $sign actually as the last character of quoted text to match the text only at the end of the line. Okay? So here we're actually using the $sign as a meta character. Okay? It's not a variable, and it's a meta character. Okay? And its meaning match the last character in the line, which is going to be exclamation point. So let's check that out in action on our book file. So we're going to do grep, single quote, exclamation point, $sign, meaning, hey, show me all lines that end with an exclamation point in book. Okay, we have exactly one line like that, but now you do exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. Notice it only highlighted one exclamation point. Okay, and that's because we said we want all lines that end with an exclamation point. Okay, so it gave us the very last exclamation point. So that's what the $sign is used for. It's used to match certain character spots in a line.